We're looking at a plant cell, which is eukaryotic, so we'll start here in the nucleus. The nucleus directs the activities of the cell. Inside of the nucleus, you have your nucleolus, which is going to synthesize ribosomes. Inside of the nucleus, the clear stuff is the nucleoplasm, but this coiled stuff is called chromatin, which is DNA and protein, and it's the condensed form of DNA, which is going to have the recipe for proteins. On the outside of the nucleus, this white structure with the holes is the nuclear envelope, and it has nuclear pores so that the ribosomes, once they're made, can exit, and also a copy of the recipe can come out. On the outside of the cell, this teal-looking substance is called the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is rough because you have ribosomes, which are the white dots, attached to them, but it's also called endoplasmic because it is inside of the cytoplasm, which is this clear stuff, and reticulum means net-like. Now, you have two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, because ribosomes are attached to it, which function in protein synthesis, it is going to modify and fold proteins. It also functions to make phospholipids made in the cell, or membranes in the cell, and it also produces vesicles, where smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is not seen on this model, is going to synthesize lipids. You have chloroplast inside of your plant cell. You can see through this central vacuole section, all these green things, which are made of chlorophyll, are going to function in photosynthesis, which is going to use light to create energy. Now, these green chloroplasts are cut in half up here. When you have these, when you talk about these stacks of membranes, these are called grana. Grana is a stack of a bunch of membranes, but when you say just a singular, this is called a thylakoid membrane, and then the fluid around the grana and the thylakoid is called the stroma. Another structure important in the plant cell and the animal cell is the Golgi apparatus, which is the FedEx of the cell. So it's going to sort, modify, and package substances made by the cell. Your plant cells have this central vacuole, which is a large structure that is going to store water. It stores chemicals, toxins. It's for growth, a lot of different things that this one does. This guy right here is a peroxisome. Your peroxisome is found in both the animal and the plant. It is going to have hydrogen peroxide in it, which helps detoxify the cell, and it also functions in breaking down fatty acids. The mitochondria is found in all eukaryotic cells. It is going to function in cellular respiration and production of ATP. We call it the powerhouse of the cell. On the plant cell, the yellow represents the plasma membrane, which is selectively permeable, allowing substances to come in and out of the cell. This green section is the cell wall, which is going to give the cell its shape. It's going to be some for protection. And then you have this blue section, which is the adjacent cell wall. And then there are pores where you attach other plant cells with another, and that's called the plasmodesmata, which I'm not really sure where that is on here, but we'll just say it's right here for the purposes of this video.